Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be doing how to make slime. So let's get to the video. So the things you're gonna be needing will be a container to put the slime and make it. You're gonna be needing a spoon. Then you're gonna be needing the baking soda. You're gonna be needing some shaving foam, glue. You're gonna be needing color, some water, and the eye contact thing. So yeah, so let's make it. So first you'll be putting glue. So I'm just gonna open it. Yeah, just gonna put some glue. Whichever slime we need, we're gonna be putting that much glue. So pour some water. So okay, now we're gonna mix it a little bit. Just gonna put a tiny bit of water. Yes. Do not put a lot of water. If you put a lot of water, then you're gonna be mixing it for a long time when you're making the slime. So after you do this, just put the spoon away. You'll be taking it to put some shaving foam. Put some and stir. Okay. So now I'm still stirring. Okay, now I'm just gonna put a little bit more. Okay, so just a little bit, because if you put a lot, it's gonna turn very fluffy. We're gonna be making fluffy slime, so gonna keep on stirring. I can smell the shaving foam. Okay, so I'm just going to keep this back. We're not going to be eating it. After we do that, we're going to be putting some colors. So I took some acrylic color sunflower kit. So I'm just going to put blue. Yes, so I'm just going to see which one's blue. And blue. So I'm just going to do that. Oh, there's glue in there. Good. Okay. Just gonna take it with this end. I'm just gonna put my personal one, baking soda. Just gonna take it in my hand. Come on. Yes, got some. Just gonna put some. I've been mixing for a long time, and I cleaned up a little bit, so right now I think it's ready, so I'm going to touch it with my hands. Okay. I put a lot of shaving cream, I don't know. It's a little sticky, so I'm just going to put a little bit of this. Oh, put some on my pants. Right where the baking soda. Just going to mix it. Look at that. Look at that. You see it? Is it gonna stick to the thing? No, it's not. So it's gonna break the bubbles, and this is how you have to be doing. So I mixed it for a long time, and this is how it comes. So we'll see you guys in my next video then, and I hope you guys liked my video. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, click all, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You did it that time. I love you guys so much, and make sure you don't put a lot of things. You know, you can put a lot of this, it doesn't matter. But if you put a lot of shaving cream or water, it's gonna get a lot of mixing. So okay, you have to be mixing a lot, so you don't have to put a lot of water. If you put a lot of water, you have to be mixing for a long time. So I just put an amount of water, so I'm just gonna, this is how your slime works. You can put it how much ever color you would like. So yeah, see you guys in my next video then. Bye. Love you guys so much. Peace.